As you can see, we've applied that poly non-woven membrane on the 90 degrees going around. That's the white fabric, not the one that I gave you the sample of. It's another one, and you can see already Hi, welcome to Berry King Waterproofing. I'm sure you all know my name by now. It's John Berry. We're here at Aspen Hills at the completion of the project. Stay tuned for further images and videos around the areas where we've worked, and you can see completion of project. Quality work, 10-year guarantee, maintenance-free system, and maintenance only every 10 years compared to torch on every 18 months. Okay, welcome back to John Berry from Berry King Waterproofing. We're at the main top slab of the house, Aspen Hills, and as you can see behind me, we've completed waterproofing, and the client now has the opportunity to put his solar panels on. The nice thing about the solar panels that he's put on here, you don't drill them into the actual slab itself. There are water tankers at the bottom of each grid that basically gets filled up with water and gets applied on so that the panels don't blow away. Stay tuned for further images on project completion. This is the engineered method of waterproofing ridge caps on a tiled roof. These ridge caps will not deteriorate for at least 5 to 10 years, depending on weather conditions. But overall, fantastic. Slab surface, cementitious system with fabric, can handle 100% ponding water and has a high UV stability and only requires maintenance every 10 years. That's why putting the solar panels on here is a great idea, because you don't need to maintain this waterproofing. Oh no. Second roof. Second roof has got an Armtec, which has been applied over existing bitumen waterproofing. It's not torch on, it's just fabric and bitumen primer and bitumen sealer and a silver top coat, but it's the wrong way of waterproofing a slab roof. And then that's the final balcony at the bottom there, with a slab leading to that area there. Excellent workmanship. If you have a look at the parapet wall where the cladding sits on, it was never waterproofed before. It's now waterproofed on every single area, including the chimney at the end there. The ridge caps, we've put a polyurethane, not an acrylic sealant. The polyurethane has got a 600% elongation stretch, so you won't see any or very little movement on this tiled roof with the polyurethane that's been applied to these ridge caps. The tiled roof itself, great condition, doesn't require any waterproofing, but should the client want to paint and change the color of the roof, is able to, just with a waterproofing paint, which will then make the roof 100% waterproof, not only the ridge caps.